What's up mga ka-amazing at mga kamarites? Ayan, panibagong araw, panibagong kwento na naman. So, bati mo naman sila.
Hi guys!
Hi guys, good afternoon.
Wala sa mood yan.
So, ayan, may pinuntahan lang kami. Gusto namin mag-relax, mag-unwind for a while. So, andito kami ngayon sa Museum of the Future. So, MOF. Actually, this is one of the tourist destination as well that you'll see in Dubai. It was also connected in metro. That's the good thing. Baba lang kayo ng Emirates Tower Station and exit 1 at you will see that makikita niyo na yung bridge going to Museum of the Future. Okay, ano nga ba yung Museum of the Future? Actually, this Museum of the Future, they just started to build this one during pandemic, but they just finished it last year. They opened it last year. So, parang andito yung mga, kumbaga sa atin parang National Museum. So, andito yung mga historical. So, ang gandahan dito, puro overlooking. Yan. Di ba? Makikita niyo mga hotels. At saka accessible naman siya. Yan. And that's the Sheikh Zayed Road. So, ayan. Gaya nga sabi namin sa inyo, this 2024, you'll expect a lot of uploads and vlog from us. So, ayan, tignan nyo mga ka-amazing kamarites. Di ba ang ganda? Oh, sa hotel lang yan. So, and eto naman yung tsura ng Museum of the Future. Yan, ganyan po siya, yung structure ng building niya. And, malapit na kami. So, Kamarites, i-brief natin sila later. Check natin. Magte-take ng picture si Kamarites. Tingnan namin kasi may entrance to, so hindi kami mag-entrance. Dito lang kami sa baba. Hindi kami makakapasok sa loob.
Kasi wala pa tayong budget para doon.
Look at the entrance. I just want to give you a quick see. It's like we're coming to the capsule. Okay? So again, please follow, subscribe, and share. And check from our video updates. And bye for now.
Bye! Thank you for watching!
See ya!